I know how will be your next year. I'm a fortune teller. Yes. Well, I also know about my future. I also know about my next year, how my next year will be. Should I tell you? Okay. My next year will be same as this year. If I do the same thing what I did in this year, my next year will be also the same as this year. Nothing new. Same thing is applicable to you as well. If you want to change the next year, if you want the next year to be better, if you want to be a better communicator in the next year, if you want to be in a better shape next year, you have to stop doing what you are doing now, or you have to better your performance. If you are happy with this year, with this year's outcome, then definitely continue what you are doing. But if you are not happy with this year, and if you want the next year to be better, I request you to see what are your daily habits, to see what are your daily routines in this year. Just see those routines, just see those habits. These habits are creating your every new year. In fact, your new year is already decided few years before. How will be your new year? That is, how will be your future is decided by your daily small activities, small routines, small choices which we make every day. If your choices are based on fun, entertainment, you will have a big problem in your future. But if your everyday small choices are based on education, are based on self-improvement, are based on growth, you will have a bright future. My dear friend, your best year 2021 will only happen when you work regularly, when you take care of your health, when you take care of your skills, when you take care of your relationships, when you take care of your education. Only then the next year, that is 2021, will be a happy new year. I will not say wish, because wishing and hoping is not going to change. I say change your daily routine, discipline yourself, focus on important things, stop wasting your time, be committed, and definitely 2021 will be a best year for you. Not I wish, but it will be. Thank you. And I'm sure that you are going to do that. And I'm sure that this new year will be happy, successful, safe, and unforgettable new year. Of course, 2020 was also unforgettable, but in the wrong way. Take care, but don't forget to follow the instructions given by government. Be safe, stay safe. Bye.